Justice, long live our leaders and long live our friendship. Welcome to this online Ayurveda and Yoga workshop. KVSSN Murthy here. My true prayers to the Almighty to see all the best things to their majesties in the whole Bhutan. Alright, coming to the recitation. This recitation actually the works from the Mahatma Gandhi. Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts became your words. Keep your words positive because your words became your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior became your habits. And keep your habits positive because your habits becomes your. Keep your values positive because your values keep. In this regard, we can also understand that physical health, mental health, social health, spiritual health also depend on these thoughts, words. These are 5 important organs to reach any kind of success in the life. Okay, coming to the actually today is one more auspicious day practice. It's a spiritual practices in regarding of Mata Saraswati ji, also saying that Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kama Rupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatame Sadha. So whatever like education, start arts or sciences or occult sciences. So for every education regarding of Ma Saraswati ka one spiritual day related to Ma Saraswati ji. So coming to the practices of our regular COVID protocols, try to please always follow safe physical distancing with having proper facial covers and masks. When you are get back to your homes, please wash them properly. And while it is put it outside on the roads. So properly destroy it as per the rules. And coming to the next one, important thing is do not touch any kind of surfaces outside. And while counting the currencies or papers, don't touch your tongue. And hand hygiene and respiratory. And also please try to oil pulling or water pulling for the mouth health, as well as installing nozzle application, nozzle oils called Anutaila and Shadbindu Taila inside the nostril to balance the mucus. And coming to ajwain seed oil or eucalyptus oil for the steam inhalation, also very important technique in these days. So every day 3 to 4 times you can, and also very important 6 to 8 hours of sleep required. When we are more active in front of the screens or computers, so 1 more hour required, that must be in the afternoon. And here I'm requesting that, so do not depend on only carbohydrate diets or don't depend on only fat diets. So try to go for good composition of the diet, especially light, so that it can digest very easily. And cloves powder plus honey application also very important to get rid of the dry cough. When it is totally out of your control, please do not take self-medication. Always try to take doctor's advice what to do, what not to do, and still further go for medical investigations. And coming to the technique called Jaljeera powder, cumin, cinnamon, cloves, ilachi, rock salt, and lemons, pepper. And these are some of the home ingredients, so it can boost up your immunity. Along with them, you can also add kada chai preparation and golden milk preparation also, and you can add them shilajit and chawanprash, also very important to boost up the immunity. So in this week we are seeing very important skin disorder called corns or callus. So here also today also we have very important, very simple home Ayurvedic remedies. So for the corns, locate the corns where it is, whether it is painful or not. Pickle them or don't use any sharp items to clean those areas, those rough areas. Because corns, it's because of over rupture, over strain and over friction because of our regular works. So whenever you are going to gym or any physical workout or cycling, so always try to use hand covers and some when you are seeing that corns, so immediately try to apply papaya fruit pulp plus milk. So properly rub it, then after that leave it for a while and wash them. So skin on the external layers, that will be will fall down. So somewhat you will get is a practice of take garlic paste and what we call cashew cashew nuts, not cashew nuts. Before the net level, we have a shell for that cashew. So with that in the market, take that oil and mix. Not touch any part of the soft skin with that oil, with that preparation. So affected area, so try to point that affected area and put it very slight portion on the within 15 days to 21 days you will get amazing results. The corn, the external layer will be fall down. Then third preparation is very simple preparation. Wild plant, Calotropis gigantea milk and castor milk, castor oil and Calotropis milk. So properly add them like a paste, then properly apply on the affected area only. So again, this is also 21 days preparation. So morning and evening, after once you will apply this preparation, at least give 1 hour time to that area. This very simple exercise. Now coming to next very simple, very effective remedy. So when between the fingers or in between the toes, it's a very like it's not so easy to walk or doing our works. So for them this remedy may works. Take very soft fine powder like corn flour plus coconut milk or plain milk, corn flour, coconut paste. So use cotton and to dip into that paste and properly apply on that affected areas. So here also this preparation leave that preparation for at least 1 hour time, acceptable hot water. So these are simple Ayurvedic home remedies. So if the situation is like that pain is extending towards other organs, so please remember we must take some more good advice from the doctor and we should go for some medical examinations. So tomorrow when we are meeting same topic, we will see some more Ayurvedic applications for the same corn. But out of this all, like a stress-free life are also important factors. So let's join to the yoga class. We will see some more exercises in the yoga. And in our yoga class, so every exercise had its own importance. So the way how we are doing, the way how we are treating these practices very important. Morning half an hour, evening half an hour, if your body towards the sunshine. In the afternoon, after post meals, just go for walk. Please remember, walking always helpful when if once you will finish your meals. Post meal is very important. So pre-meals, exercise is important. Along with the light walking, exercise is important. But after meals, only one yoga posture called Vajrasana. Plus, you can go abdominal region and in your digestion pattern. So coming to the sun salutations. So here sun salutation is our regular practice. This can be as a warm-up or this can be as practices also. Long, deep, slow inhalation and complete deep breathe out. And have your prayerful mood. After that, slowly open your arms to the side stretch and lift your arms up above to the head and Pranamasana. And coming to the sloka and mantra chanting and Bijakshara, when you have your traditional belief, you can follow the chanting or else you can just follow the physical exercises. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasyapi Hitam Mukham Tatvam Pushan Apavruno Satya Dharmaya Drustaye. Om Hrom Raha Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Gagapusna Hiranya Gadbhamaricha Aditya Savitra Arka Bhaskaraya Namaha. Touch your both arms forward, lift your both arms up. Hasta Uttanasana, slightly put a back bend, Ardha Chandrasana or Ardha Chakrasana. Then after that, keep the body straight. Then from there, slightly push the body back. So our heart elements or blood pressure or head elements, avoid forward bends. Completely bend the body forward. And after that, right leg back. Coming to Asva Sanchalanasana, horse riding posture. It's very simple. It is good exercise for the leg stretching as well as pelvic stretch also. Place back leg straight on the toes and slowly join your forward leg to back leg called Dandasana or Santulanasana. Again, few seconds stay here. Then very slowly push your body completely down towards the head called Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Slightly lift your butts and put your head or chin on the floor, 2 palms and 2 knees and toes. Then push your 2 seconds stay like lifted head cobra called Bhujangasana. Lift the chin up, both the legs together and flat your toes. Before adding Parvatasana, another forward bending, take care of your convenience. And here back leg straight on the toes. Then slowly push your body inside. Asana horse riding posture. Lift your chin up, push your abdomen, still push your body down and as well as forward for more stretching. And back leg straight on the toes and back leg knee up and join your back. And very slowly lift your both the arms up, hasta arms, pull yourself up, and from there slightly put a back bend called Ardha Chandrasana or Ardha Chakrasana. Then again slowly keep the body straight. Then from there Pranamasana above to the head and slowly bring them down at the chest. One long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. And very slowly lift your both the arms up and very slowly wide your arms. Then slowly keep them down towards the thighs and rest. So immediately after doing your both the actions straight for healthy inhalations and exhalations. So today, as per our good stick, and when you are doing in your home with the stick or pipes, please like carefully observe the electrical appliances and any other ornaments. Okay, take a long pause here, open the arms, right arm forward, hold the stick, put it vertical. Then after that, then slowly turn your sticks one. This very simple exercise for the total arm from the fingers to shoulders. 4, 5, then last count 6, come back and slowly be. And opposite side same thing, turn your palm, catch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then very slowly come back, relaxation again, keep your stick straight. Just take a long inhalation and exhalation. Okay, and now our next posture is very simple posture for the knees and for the thighs and for the stick. So it will be a good support also, but it will not really hurt your knees. But when you have your severe knee pains or any other further issues at the hip level or knee level or ankle level, choose a simple way or avoid the practices. So keep your sticks vertical in front of your body. Hold your sticks with your 2 hands. Then in between the legs create a small and slowly come back. So to more angle view, I'm requesting my video to come on my right side or left side. Alright, again same thing here. So first of all, while squatting, no need to push the body forward, reflective activity, but no need to bend more. 1 and then slowly come back. So last count, few seconds, bend and stay now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, enough, relaxation and slow. Again, few seconds, long inhalation, exhalation. Keep your left leg back. Now hold your left leg by folding. After that, few seconds, press your thigh and observe the thigh stretching and the leg stretching till the hips. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And same exercise here, alternate leg. Again, keep your right leg back, left leg forward, and back leg lift and catch your leg, catch your leg. But if you have knee pains, avoid this practice. Now here, press your leg and stay now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and relaxation. Enough. Come back. Then again, long, slow, and deep inhalation and exhalation. Alright, our next exercise is variations in the Natarajasana called side leg lift, side vertical. Hold the stick with the right hand. So here, no need to look forward for the first, try to improve the quality of make trailing. Then okay, now left leg lift, catch your left leg with the left hand. First free your leg and observe your dress and observe your mat and to catch the stick properly, place them properly. Now here, open the left leg. Then completely lift that leg up. So here few seconds to stay now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you have more leg stretching ability, you can lift your leg till the stick or till your head. And very slowly relaxation. Few seconds, rest your legs. While doing this kind of postures, obviously the other part of the body organs will catch the practices and few seconds rest. So for every posture, warm up as well as post stretches also important. And now coming to opposite side, hold your stick with your left hand. So properly place it while doing the according to your convenience, according to your flexibility, you can do these postures. Okay, now here, lift your right leg and few seconds adjust your dress and adjust your legs. Then after that, hold your leg, check your convenience. Then here, open that leg up. Few seconds stay now. From keep lift your leg up and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and slowly come back. Release the posture and relaxation. Enough. Come back. Again, slowly touch your thighs. Release by folding 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relaxation. Enough. Come back. Then again, take slow, deep inhalation and exhalation. This is also coming under the squats and also coming to the warrior style. So here very simple practice. One of the reverse warrior style exercise, that coming to the stretching of the legs properly. Then after that, turn your right leg to the right side. Bend your right knee and few seconds concentration on the stick. Then after that, lift your right arm up. Then completely bend the body to push the body towards the right side. Hold the stick with the right arm. Keep your left hand on the waist and few seconds stay here. So throughout the floor, or you can put your stick as a support also, but few seconds stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then very slowly keep your sticks straight with the stick support, and slowly lift the body, then slowly keep the legs together and few seconds rest. But severe joint pains or knee pain, vision, choose proper easiest method of doing. Okay, opposite side same thing here. Coming to same reverse warrior style variation stance. To the left side, turn the left foot, bend the left leg. So here when you want more squat, you can completely touch your calf muscle with the thigh. So on the heel of the ball of the heel, or it can be flat. And few seconds rest, few seconds concentrate here. After that, lift your left hand, then hold your stick, then try to put your right arm on the waist. So throughout the practice, keep lift your left hand and few seconds stay now. 1, 2 if you want, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then very slowly come back. Now here, keep the slowly with the stick support, keep lift the body. Again, relax your legs. Right, just deep, long inhalation, exhalation. So another way of knee bending. So here, fold thighs, rest your knees, and slowly come back. And opposite side, same thing. Fold your leg. Again, few seconds stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then enough. Relaxation. That's good. Come back. All right. So we are at the conclusion of today's session, especially physical yoga. So keep your sticks down, and I'm requesting my video technician to come in front of me. And for pranayam, try to sit in any convenient, comfortable posture on any surface, any convenient surface, on the chair or on the stool or on the mat or on the bed. So be convenient wherever you are sitting. So here, sit in any convenient posture. For today's, I'm doing my lotus posture. Okay, so before pranayam also we have chanting. When you have belief to chant this sloka, you can follow, or you can follow only practices. And pranamasan. Om Kesavaya Swaha, Om Maha, Om Narayanaya Swaha, Om Adya Samadhi Tatpala Siddhyardham Asana Purvakan Pranayam Syanti. And slowly keep the arms down. Alright, take long, slow inhalation, exhalation. So here our pranayam is again today like Bhastrika Pradhana Pranayam. Bhastrika Pranayam text given in the Hatha Yoga Pradipika. It is saying that Vata Pitta Dhanam Kundali Vodakam Kshipram Pavanam Sukadam Hitam Brahmanadi Mukhe Samasta Kapadhyar Garanasanam. in eye, like it has direct interference towards the Ayurveda. Called, it is saying that the people who are doing Bastrika Pranayam regularly, for them the coming result will be happen, called Vata dosha nullified, Pitta dosha will be nullified, Slashma dosha will be nullified. Means inside the body, these three are as a metabolic activity and as a immunity also. If once any imbalances in between these three, called internal wind or internal glue or internal biles, so automatically diseases or disorders will be born. So it is saying applications Vata, Pitta, Slashma, Haram, Sarir, Agni, Vivardhanam. Also, once anyone will having this kind of balance, it will be in like in a very balanced level and very strong, and also their metabolic levels also very strong in very balanced level. And we have another exercise called Surya Bhedana Pranayam, Kapala Sodhanam, Vata Doshagnam Uttamam. It is also saying that Vata like totally nullified because of Surya Bhedana Pranayam. And it is said that Kapala Sodhanam Vata Doshagnam. It will also rectify the wind related errors inside the skull and face, especially the people who have been suffering from the eosinophilia, migraine or sinus, and also the repeated colds, coughs or eye problems, or the way how we are doing also very important, but it should be coordinated with the bandhas and the mudras. And it is also saying that krimi dosha hrut, abdominal worms will be killed by this simple pranayam. And also saying that punaha redam karyam surya bhedana muttamam. The people who only they can experience practicals. Practicals are very simple. So first of all, we are doing Bastrika without any variations, plain Bastrika we are doing. So keep the position straight. Then here inhalation, sharp inhalations, slow exhalation. This is complete opposite side process of Kapalabhati. But when you have heart ailments or blood pressure issues, like vertigo, better to choose very slow pace, or better to choose easiest way, or avoid the practices. Take advice from your yoga teacher and physician before starting any kind of physical practices and pranayam exercises. Now coming to practices, now inhalation 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then long, slow, deep inhalation and complete deep breathing. Alright, second stroke, second spell starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Then again long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Right, third, last spell starting again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, last counts 10, complete breathe in and complete breathe out. Okay, few seconds break. After that, starting our Surya Bhedana, only 5 inhalations, 5 exhalations throughout the practice. Right nostril breathe in, left nostril breathe out, so that accordingly set your right hand 2 fingers, right hand thumb to close and open the nostrils. Just will receive right hand last 2 fingers, and right nostril will receive your right thumb. Then here close your left nostril to take breathe in from the right nostril, and completely slowly breathe out with the left nostril. Again inhale with the right nostril, again inhalation with the right nostril, exhalation with the left nostril. Fourth count, breathe in with the right nostril and completely slowly breathe out with alternate. So last inhalation with the right nostril, then slowly completely breathe out with the left. Then slowly keep the arms down. And after pranayam, if you know well about the dharana, practicing your concentration at your eyebrow center, of Trataka Abhyasas, concentration practices, you can do that. But after finishing your concentration practices, then choose some more time to take power nap or do Nidra Yoga to relax the total physical body and mind. And after finishing your total workout, including this yoga nidra and power naps, take 10 minutes to 15 minutes time to take bath. Depend on the practices schedule, how you are doing. And in the afternoon, before your lunch, see all the possibilities to do to take a power nap or to do the nidra yoga or yoga nidra. In the afternoon, like in the evening, after finishing your office works, house works, sports works, garden works, and after your free time, just exercises, including back bending exercises, including simple inverted postures also. And please remember, while coming to the walking, pose preferable for the good health. So try to see all possibilities to walk, or at least to keep the body stand straight after is recommended. But after eating, don't sit for more time, or immediately don't sleep. At least 20 minutes, half an hour time, keep your body straight in a standing posture, or while if really possible walking. Tomorrow when we are meeting here at the same place, the same exercises and yoga exercises also for better health. So thanking you to all to giving me this wonderful opportunity. Stay away from the bad habits and